Okay guys, hope you're well. We're going back to the Answers Hub or the Trading Clinic, and we have a question from Mark. We'll salute you. Question is there a fib expansion on MT5 video? There will be, because there's like 3,000 videos on the channel now. But rather than hurtling your way through all them 3,000, let's see if we can make some sense of it. When it comes to trading this on MT5, the extension tool is a nightmare. Talking of extension tools, here's something that gives me an extension tool. You sexy girl that you are. That's a bit rude, that, isn't it? But never mind. I love it a bit. Oh, I've got a pie as well. Fantastic. Right. Let me take this out the way. This is the small BlackBull account that we use. If you want to use BlackBull, there is links down below. If you want to use Wink, I'm afraid she's not available for use in private persons. That is only for me. Only me. Right. We have an expansion tool here. Now, to operate it is a nightmare because you pull it across here and then you've got to pull all of this about, and you take the end one, you put that where you start, you take the next dot, is it that one or is it this? That's the one we want. You pull that to where you want to be as well, cross into the middle, and then you just pull it down to say we're going to expand on there, and it'll give you a sequence. Okay, it's horrid. It's a genuine nightmare. This one here moves the fib. So it's 3 buttons that are all together and they're all higgledy-piggledy. Do I like to use this? Hell no. It's brilliant on my web trader platform, but on this it is a nightmare. So I'm going to take that away. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my standard fib, and then it's just 2 lines, one here, and the one in the middle can then move the fib around as I wish. I'll just contract it in a little bit. And what I'll do to make it highlight a little bit better, because I'm finished for the week now, so I'll be doing a remarkup of this. I'll take all of the objects off, everything. Grab my extension or my fib tool and just pull it into place. Now what you'll see is mine is slightly different to what you would normally have, because I've added in the extensions to it. And if I'm doing sort of madness by breaking it up into quarters, it's in and around the 23.76 anyway. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for madness positions. There's a door switch. Madness positions, and for expansions, they're in place as well. Shows me my stops, etc. Now, if I open this up into properties, just like so, I'll show you how it was built. If you come into your levels, they're all here. And what we can do is, if I come down, you'll see exactly how you can place them in, just like so. And if I wanted to add some extra ones in, let's just say I wanted to move to 427. I can click on there and I can add 427 in, or whatever it is that I want. Very, very simple. I don't let it run that far because I don't need it to. Dead simple. So I hope that helps, and hopefully that tool it make it a damn sight easier than the expansion tool. Does the same job, but it's just far easier to put in. Because case in point, you press the button, go to the base of there, hold your mouse down, pull it into place. There's your expansions going down over, and if you wanted it to run up, there they are going up over. I use 161 as stop areas. It also measures out the stop for me. Catch us all soon.